Hey guys, so this is me testing out the headphone from Nubwo. This is their gaming headset, the Nubwo G06, and let me know down in the comment section how it sounds. This is the audio version, so I'm going to be also doing the video version of this. Guys, this is me testing out the headphone. This is the gaming headset from Nubwo. This is their G06, and you guys should let me know if the audio quality from the mic is good enough, because you can use this, this is for gaming, also for casual use or for streaming. So let me know one down in the comment section how it sounds. So today we have this headset with me. It was sent to me by Nubwo, and this is the Nubwo G06, and this is the Bluetooth version. This is a gaming headset, so I'm just going to review it. So after we have already done the unboxing, I'm going to review and tell you guys how it looks. Although I have been, like, when I first got this, I did review it, but that was like off camera. I used this for 2 days, and I used it to like listen to music, or have used it to play games. But I can tell you this is quite sturdy. I did check out the website and also the previous people that have already reviewed this before, to see if this really holds up to its name. And it's a very nice headset. So let's get started and try and see how this is. Now, I got this in the white version. It does have like the different types at different colors. I mean that different colors, and the colors are like you have black. I think you have even pink. So if you want this, you can check the link down in my description box, and you will see the link to get it on Amazon. It's also available on other platforms, but the one I do recommend for you to go is Amazon, because that way you can, if you have any problem with brand or anything as such with product, you can immediately message them and they will get back to you. Their customer service is down to earth. Now, okay, so this headset, it has the volume knob, which it has this sort of roll thing, and then this is the mute button, and this is the power button, which is if you press on here, it's going to show green. So, and this is the USB-C cable that you can plug in to charge. Then this one is the headphone jack, that if you want to use it maybe via your laptop or your PC, then you can. And this really works on every particular platform it came in. So if we check on the characteristics of this headset, it says that it's compatible, because this is the Bluetooth version. It's compatible with PC, which is with wireless mode, compatible with PC, PlayStation, laptop. Now, if you go to the Bluetooth mode, it's compatible with PC, phone, tablet, and Switch. If you have like Nintendo Switches, and then with wired mode, you have PC, phone, tablet, Switch, PlayStation controller, and Xbox controller. So it's also available or compatible with the control. So, like you guys see, I'm twinning green and white. I love it. Now let's connect it via my phone. I have my phone here, and let's try and connect this to see how it is. Okay. Now my Bluetooth is turned on. My Bluetooth, although it was already connected here, you can see it here. So let's turn this on, and I'll play some music for you to see how loud this is. Like, this headset is really loud, and see, it's connected immediately. So now let's play some music. So there's some uncopyrighted music that I just played. Now let's increase the volume. Like, this is the loudest volume, and if you decrease, can you hear it? Now it's even much louder if you play like funk, like all those music with lots of bars and everything. It's very, very loud. So now I'm going to try playing a game, and this it's quite sturdy. I don't know. Some people, watched a video where someone said it broke. So either their head is way too big for this, or they just have like strong hands. Because you can't tell me otherwise. Like, I've been twisting this. Look, nothing, nothing. Like, and I love that it has like this extension that you can adjust to, fit your head size. And for it, I don't even need the extension because my head is really just small. So you turn this down. Just that the only caveat with this is I can't take out this microphone extension. I would have loved if they made it that you can take it out, whereby I can use only this headset outside because I do love it. Let's get started. See, this just that the only thing I can remove this. I would have preferred if I would have removed it and then use it like this. Like, I know it's way too big that people will be looking at you somehow like, oh, is that guy using a headset like a gaming headset for some sort of normal headset? But I don't care. It's mine. So look, this is how it is. So how does it look? And I'm really digging the white and green. It does contrast to each other. So let's get started on the the gaming. And I'm going to be playing Wuthering Waves. Either Wuthering Waves or Genshin Impact. Anyone.